And you keep saying this name in your mind over and over again.
Okay.
Tuck, 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 tuck. If you see your movement, you did it twice, which means you're thinking of two names again, like the name and the surname. I like you're prepared. She just automatically repeat me. मैंने बोला भी नहीं, and you just started like, you just started saying in your mind, Rohit, Rohit, Rohit.
Oh,
Rohit,
shit!
Rohit Sharma, Rohit Sharma, Rohit Sharma.
That's actually true.
Rohit Sharma.
Oh God, she's good.
I like how she's like, she's good. मतलब मेरे को पता नहीं था she's good.
नहीं, but this is wow, crazy.
Thank you.
Wow. So yeah, that's actually right. It was Rohit Sharma.
It was Rohit Sharma.
Oh, but this must be taking up a lot of your energy, right?
I've seen your video. Order meeting.
Thank you so much.
I've seen it. I'm like, dude, no.
Think of one. Think about this person in your mind.
Okay.
You have the person in your mind? I just noticed you thought of two names. So I'm assuming you thought of the name and the surname. So cut the surname off. Think only of the name.
Okay.
Okay was very quick. Short name, one blink. Like this. 3-4 letter word. Are you thinking of John Abraham?
Oh, nice! This has been the most amazing experience of my life. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Wow.
Most fucking amazing. You're fantastic.
Thank you,
Listen,
Shruti. Thank you.
hands down.
Guys, the only reason I do this is ताकि ये मेरे अच्छे photos ले.
Of
ठीक है?
course. Talent, yeah. Hands down.
हस्ती ब्रो आ गए ले भाई लोग अभी कल्टी लो मैंने बॉम्बे में बचा था एक बच्ची को मैं फायर हो गई देख पलटी ब्रो
मैं घूमूं फिरूं नाचूं गाऊं हंसूं खेलूं बाहर जाऊं अकेली जाऊं किसी और के साथ जाऊं जहां जाऊं जब जाऊं जैसे भी जाऊं आपको क्या
India's first pioneering female mentalist, illusionist and magician who's ruling the roost. She's currently the most viewed mentalist, one of the top 5 subscribed magicians in the world. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, ye ladki dynamite hai. Winner Suhani Shah, Mentalist of the Year. Suhani Shah, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you so much. It feels so good. I feel magic. एक बहुत ही इंडियन ट्रेडिशनल आर्ट फॉर्म है जो भूल जाया जाता है या कभी नीचे देखा जाता है कि अरे जादूगर है ये क्या करेंगे. फ्रॉम दैट फॉर लोकमत टू रिकग्नाइज दिस एंड टू ऑनर इट इट फील्स एब्सोल्युटली अमेजिंग.
तो अब एक इंसान को चुनना है जिसका माइंड आप पढ़ सकती हैं. किसको चुनेंगी आप?
मैं देखो मैं तो किसी का भी माइंड पढ़ सकती हूँ बट आई थिंक आज का हॉट फेवरेट इज वन पर्सन. डू वी अग्री टू दैट? How are you being like you know it? Modesty, yeah, you know it. In fact, we can do something with I think with everyone, yeah. with a few not everyone थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो जाएगा but a few of them we can do something. Why goes you guys all of us just come a little forward and we can choose few people from the audience and we can do something with everybody very quickly. I won't take a lot of time. I want you think of somebody who you've been inspired by or who's been by your side or somebody. It could be anybody. It could be like a childhood friend. It could be like a school teacher. It could be an author's book that you read. You know, anybody. And I want you to keep that person's name in your mind. And I want the name and not the surname, just the name in your mind. Meanwhile, let's do something interesting very quickly with all of you. I want you to choose a creator from the audience or anybody from the audience.
मेरी दोस्त शहनाज गिल आ जाइए स्टेज पर. मेरी एक और प्यारी सी दोस्त रूपाली आ जाओ. ये आपके सारे माइंड में क्या क्या करतूतें चल रही हैं मैं जानना चाहता हूँ. आ जाओ. अरे गिव इट अप फॉर गर्ल पावर.
सडनली ना मेरे पे सिर्फ हाथ में प्रेशर बढ़ा दिया है. But okay. Hi Shahnaz. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people on stage only. तो इन्हीं के साथ करते हैं. And I want everybody can do this together just because you don't doubt me. I want everybody. Rishi, let's start with you. I want you to give me a number that comes to your mind right now.
1.
That's it. Just one. It can be like a 4-digit, 5-digit big number also.
Okay. 1,500.
1500.
Yeah.
If you guys have your phone in your hand, you can do this with me so that everybody's on the same page. 1,500. Okay. We add that with Rupali. Yes. So I want you to give me a number that you relate to. This is close to you.
Number 5.
Do you want to give me just 5 or you want to make it like 5555 or just like 55 or like
5900.
5900. Just because I ask you to change doesn't mean you have to change. This is for everybody. Okay. So you say 5900. Can we all add 5900 and you should get 7400? Everybody? Shehnaz, give me a number.
12
12. पक्का? आपको बदलना है अपना माइंड?
नहीं
12.
12
क्यों 12?
ऐसे ही अच्छा लगता है मुझे, दिखता है मुझे फोन पे बहुत ज्यादा दिखता है.
So you feel it's lucky?
यस
The angel numbers, yes. So let's add 12. I'll come to you in the end. Of course. Siddharth, give me a number.
मेरा नंबर है 1979.
1979. Does everybody get 10,591 on their phone? Should we take a number from audience as well?
प्राजक्ता एक नंबर बोलो वहां से.
जोर से प्राजक्ता. 2706 plus. So everybody at 13,297, right? Yeah, I'd ask you to take the phone only. And here's what I want you to do. For you, I want this to be random. I don't want you to think of any date or a number that's important to you. Because politicians के लिए numbers बहुत important होते हैं. तो आपके लिए मुझे ये random रखना है. I want you to close your eyes and just press random numbers on my phone. As many as you want. Close your eyes. That's too many. You can stop now. A lot of them. But ठीक है. You can announce this number so people who are adding can add it.
It's 1401204. Wow, that's a huge number.
1401204. And let's press is equal to.
It's 1414501.
Now this could have been any number. You guys could have given any number. आपने 12 बोला, आप 11 भी बोल सकते थे. Correct, पर आपने 12 बोला. आपने 5 को फिर चेंज कर रहे 5900 कर दिया. आपने पहले 1 बोला और फिर चेंज कर दिया. Is it any way possible कि मुझे पता होता कि आप क्या नंबर्स देने वाले हो?
Impossible.
तो एक बोर्ड पे मैंने एक नंबर ऑलरेडी लिख के रखा था जो वहाँ पोडियम पे पड़ा हुआ है.
मैं लेके आता हूँ. मैं आया तेरे लिए. मैं आया. अरे पापा कोई तो हेल्प करो मेरे लिए. सॉरी, मैं वापस ठीक करूंगा.
That is 1414501. Everybody.
Ladies and gentlemen, the illusion and magic of Suhani Shah.
But you know what?
बोलो.
Did you know what? It had to be this number only and not any other number.
क्यों?
मैंने आपको बोला to think about somebody who's special to you. आपने किन के बारे में सोचा?
My mother, Rashmi.
Okay, Rashmi, your mother.
Oh.
That's Rashmi, Rashmi, everybody.